Hair is often seen as a symbol of beauty, health, and vitality. Whether you're aiming for long, luscious locks or simply want stronger, shinier strands, achieving healthy hair growth requires consistent care and attention. The journey to healthier hair involves proper nutrition, gentle handling, and effective maintenance practices. In this guide, we'll explore 10 comprehensive tips to help you grow and maintain your healthiest hair yet. These science-backed practices address both the roots and the strands, ensuring that your hair looks great and feels even better. Let's dive in.
Dieting itself does not cause hair loss per se, not the common sort of hair loss in men or women, sort of androgenic alopecia with male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss. That's a more genetic condition. But what it can do, especially if you're going on some form of crash diet or some sort of calorie restrictive diet, it can cause stress in the system. On a low calorie diet can increase your cortisol levels, which increases your, as a consequence of the increased stress in the system. What this can do is actually functionally turn off that life cycle of that hair, which will cause that hair to shed.
1. Nourish your hair from within. Healthy hair starts on the inside, which means your diet plays a critical role in how your hair grows and looks. Hair is primarily made of a protein called keratin, and to support its production, you need a diet rich in essential nutrients. Protein. Foods like eggs, chicken, fish, and tofu provide the building blocks for hair structure. Protein deficiencies can lead to weak, brittle hair and even hair loss. Biotin. Known as the hair growth vitamin, biotin supports keratin production. Find it in nuts, seeds, eggs, and sweet potatoes. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, help nourish hair follicles, promoting growth and shine. Iron and zinc. These minerals are vital for healthy hair. Leafy greens, beans, and red meat are excellent sources. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water ensures that your scalp stays hydrated, which is crucial for hair growth. A healthy, balanced diet directly impacts the speed and quality of your hair growth, so think of your meals as fuel for fabulous strands. 2. Pamper your scalp. A healthy scalp is the foundation for growing healthy hair. Without proper scalp care, issues like buildup, dandruff, and clogged follicles can stunt growth. Exfoliate weekly. Use a scalp scrub or a brush to gently remove dead skin cells and product buildup. This promotes better blood flow to hair follicles. Scalp massage. A few minutes of daily scalp massage can stimulate blood circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your roots. Using oils like castor, coconut, or argan oil can enhance the benefits. Address scalp issues. If you have persistent problems like dryness, itching, or excessive oil, consult a dermatologist for targeted treatments. A clean, nourished scalp creates the perfect environment for hair to thrive. 3. Master the art of gentle handling. Your hair is delicate, especially when wet, and improper handling can lead to breakage. Pat, don't rub. Instead of aggressively towel drying your hair, pat it gently with a microfiber towel to absorb excess water. Use a wide-toothed comb. Detangle your hair with a wide-toothed comb starting at the ends and working your way up to prevent damage. Avoid overbrushing. Brushing too often can lead to breakage. Stick to once or twice a day with a soft bristle brush. Being gentle with your hair reduces breakage and keeps it looking smooth and strong. 4. Wash your hair the right way. How often and how you wash your hair can significantly impact its health. Overwashing strips your hair of natural oils, while underwashing can lead to buildup. Choose the right frequency. Most people find that washing their hair 2-3 times a week works well. Those with oily scalps may need to wash more often, while people with dry or curly hair might wash less frequently. Use sulfate-free shampoos. Sulfates can strip your hair of its natural moisture. Opt for gentle, sulfate-free formulas instead. Rinse with lukewarm water. Hot water can dry out your hair and scalp. Use lukewarm water to preserve natural oils. Finding a washing routine tailored to your hair type ensures optimal hydration and cleanliness. 5. Don't skip conditioning. Conditioning is essential for maintaining soft, shiny, and manageable hair. It locks in moisture, strengthens strands, and reduces tangling. Apply from mid-lengths to ends. Avoid applying conditioner to your scalp, as it can make your roots greasy. Deep condition weekly. Use a deep conditioning treatment or mask containing keratin, argan oil, or shea butter to nourish your hair and repair damage. Leave-in conditioners. These products offer extra hydration and protection, especially for dry or chemically treated hair. Conditioning regularly is a simple yet powerful step toward healthier hair.
Trimming your hair just because you think trimming it makes the hair grow? No, it has got nothing to do. You're only going to shorten your hair further. The only reason you should be trimming your hair is because you want to stylize it, or then because there are split ends, because there is no remedy for a hair which is already split. You have to chop it.
6. Trim split ends regularly. Split ends are a common problem that can make your hair look unhealthy and inhibit growth. The only way to deal with them is to trim them off. Schedule regular trims. Visit your stylist every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends and keep your hair looking fresh. Prevent splitting. Avoid habits like excessive brushing, overuse of heat tools, and rough towel drying. Regular trims help you retain length by preventing splits from traveling up the hair shaft. 7. Protect your hair from heat and UV damage. Excessive heat and UV exposure can weaken your hair, leading to dryness and breakage. Heat protection. Always use a heat protectant spray before using hot tools like straighteners, curling irons, or blow dryers. Air dry. When possible, let your hair air dry naturally to minimize heat damage. UV protection. Wear a hat or use hair products with UV filters when spending time in the sun. Protecting your hair from environmental stressors keeps it resilient and shiny. 8. Incorporate oils into your routine. Oils are a game changer when it comes to hair health. They seal in moisture, repair damage, and add shine. Coconut oil. Known for its deep conditioning properties, it penetrates the hair shaft to prevent protein loss. Argan oil. This liquid gold is excellent for taming frizz and adding shine. Castor oil. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil is known to stimulate hair growth when massaged into the scalp. Experiment with different oils to find the ones that work best for your hair type. 9. Prioritize stress management. Stress is a significant contributor to hair loss. High levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, can disrupt the hair growth cycle. Practice relaxation techniques. Yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress. Stay active. Regular physical activity not only improves your overall health, but also promotes better hair growth. Take breaks. Incorporate downtime into your schedule to avoid burnout. Managing stress benefits not just your hair, but your entire body. 10. Be patient and consistent. Hair growth takes time and dedication. On average, hair grows about half an inch per month. Stick to your routine and be consistent with your care practices. Track your progress. Take photos or notes to monitor how your hair responds to new treatments or products. Avoid product overload. Introducing too many new products at once can backfire. Use one at a time and give it a few weeks to see results. Consistency and patience are the ultimate keys to achieving your hair goals. Growing healthy hair is a journey, not a sprint. By focusing on a balanced diet, gentle handling, proper hydration, and consistent care, you'll not only improve your hair's appearance, but also its strength and longevity. Remember, healthy hair is a reflection of a healthy you. Start incorporating these tips into your daily routine and watch your hair transform over time. Thank you for watching. Share this guide with someone who dreams of healthy hair too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones. Here's to strong, beautiful looks for everyone.